Hey, welcome to another AI accredited video. Did you know you can have any character doing cosplay using Midjourney? Today we'll try just that. We're going to use one of our previously created characters as a reference to get a totally different result. When using a character reference, you can use any picture of the character you want. A good piece of advice is to use an AI-generated image as your reference character instead of a picture of a real person. Why is that? Well, when using a picture of a real person, the Midjourney model first has to interpret that image and create a description of the person. The result won't necessarily be an exact match to the person's looks, but rather an interpretation from the AI. However, when using a previously AI-generated image as a reference, that image was created from digital noise and a seed number, so that will be the starting point for the new image, and the result will be much better. To create our cosplaying character, head to the Create section in Midjourney's web version. Click on the image you want to use as a reference, and go to the bottom right to use the image as a reference. When it's included in the prompt bar, select the person icon to use the image as a character reference, then type our prompt. We're going with a young man cosplaying as a superhero, using a dash of the chaos parameter with a value of 3, aspect ratio of 2:3, and the character weight set to 0. Running the prompt will give us various poses for our character with different superhero cosplays that actually have that homemade look. And that's all for today. Have fun and experiment with these prompts. See you in the next video.